Hello, brilliant people. Good evening to all of you. Welcome once again to my channel. This is our job, and welcome to my golden life here in Taiwan. So before I'm going to buy my food for tonight, I'm going to answer this question coming from our viewers, one of our viewers. Sabi ni teacher, hi, curious lang ako. Yung program ba ay same sa JET program? Ito sa Japan. Limited lang ang visa but can convert naman to PR if may chance. Parang ganun po siya. Yung JET program sa Japan at saka yung TFATP program here in Taiwan, government program siya launched by Ministry of Education ng bawat countries na ito. However, yung Japan kasi, yung JET program is cultural exchange. That means to say that you're only given, I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but as what I heard, you're only given 5 years to stay in Japan to work as a teacher under JET program. Yung TFATP kasi na program, there's no limitation. Wala siyang ganong 5 years or 10 years ka lang to teach here. No, it's up to you if you want to extend more and more, because we are under with a white collar jobs here in Taiwan. So basically, we can decide kung kailan namin gustong itigil yung journey namin here in Taiwan. So that's the only difference, I think. But both JET and TFATP, mga government program ito, under with the Ministry of Education ng bawat country. Yun lang. Bye-bye!